Step 2, learn cybersecurity basics. Once your foundation is ready, begin learning the CIA triad: authentication, authorization, encryption, firewalls, VPNs, malware, phishing, password security, and risk management. These concepts appear in almost every cybersecurity role. Step 3, practice in labs. Create a virtual lab, install Linux, experiment with Windows, use virtual machines, and practice safely in legal environments. Step 4, choose your specialization. After understanding the basics, decide which domain interests you most. You don't need to master every area, choose one path and continue growing. For example, SOC analyst, penetration tester, cloud security, digital forensics, GRC, DevSecOps, or AI security. Step 5, build projects. Employers love practical experience. Instead of only collecting certificates, build projects, secure a Linux server, build a small home lab, analyze sample malware safely, or perform vulnerability assessments in legal practice labs. Step 6, never stop learning. Cybersecurity evolves every day. New vulnerabilities appear, new technologies emerge, new attack techniques are discovered. The professionals who continue learning are the ones who build long term successful careers. The most important message is this: don't rush. Build strong foundations, practice consistently, choose one specialization, stay curious. Success in cybersecurity comes from consistency, not shortcuts. Now that we've explored the different career paths in cybersecurity, let's talk about something that almost every beginner experiences. Many people don't quit cybersecurity because it's too difficult. They quit because they don't know where to start. The first challenge is the lack of a clear roadmap. Many learners jump from one course to another without understanding what skills they actually need. After months of learning, they still don't know how everything connects. The second challenge is language barriers. Many of the best cybersecurity resources are available in English, which can be intimidating for learners whose first language isn't English. The third challenge is too many certifications. Certifications are valuable, but they should support your learning, not replace it. The fourth challenge is lack of practical experience. You can watch hundreds of hours of videos, but until you work with real labs, virtual machines, and security tools, your understanding remains limited. Another common challenge is information overload. No cybersecurity professional knows everything. Even experienced professionals continue learning throughout their careers. Finally, many people struggle because they don't have guidance or mentorship. Sometimes, one conversation with an experienced mentor can save weeks or even months of confusion. If you're experiencing any of these challenges, don't worry, these are completely normal. Almost every cybersecurity professional has faced them at some point. The first solution is following a structured learning roadmap. Don't try to learn everything at once. Learning step by step is much more effective than trying to master everything simultaneously. The second solution is hands on practice. Create your own virtual lab, use legal practice environments, and experiment with security tools. Every practical project you complete builds confidence and strengthens your skills. The third solution is to join a learning community. Learning alongside others helps you stay motivated. You can ask questions, share experiences, and learn from people on the same journey. The fourth solution is to find mentorship. Instead of spending months wondering which certification to take or which domain to choose, you can receive guidance based on your goals. Another important point is don't chase every trend, focus on understanding the core concepts. Strong fundamentals will help you adapt to new technologies throughout your career. And finally, remember that consistency is more important than intensity. Even 1 or 2 hours of focused learning every day can produce remarkable results over time. Small, consistent progress always beats short bursts of motivation. I'd like to share some practical advice, not just as an instructor, but as someone who has worked in technology and cybersecurity for many years. Be curious. Cybersecurity is built on curiosity. Ask questions, explore, experiment, and understand why things work the way they do. Build your professional network, connect with professionals, join cybersecurity communities, attend webinars, and participate in competitions. Networking often opens doors to opportunities you never expected. Develop soft skills, communication, teamwork, problem solving, presentation skills, and report writing all matter. Cybersecurity professionals regularly communicate with managers, clients, and executives. Stay ethical. Cybersecurity is about protecting people. Use your knowledge responsibly, respect privacy, follow the law, and build trust. Ethics is one of the foundations of a successful cybersecurity career. For context, here's where the industry itself is heading. AI will continue transforming security operations. Cloud security will remain one of the highest demand skills. Zero trust is becoming a standard security model. Security operations centers are becoming more automated. Billions of IoT devices need securing, and governments are introducing stricter privacy and cybersecurity regulations. If you're thinking about entering cybersecurity today, you are entering at exactly the right time.